How to send Bitcoin from Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can send Bitcoin from Cash App, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to send Bitcoin from Cash App, first of all, you have to open Cash App and then tap on this where it says USD over here, right? So you can see this little USD button, just tap on that option. Once you tap on that button over there, it'll ask you to select your currency in your fiat currency, which in this case is US dollars or Bitcoin. So all we have to do is select the option called Bitcoin. Now, once you select Bitcoin, on the next page, you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to send. So if I select 0.001, which is equivalent to 49.78 US dollars over here, depending upon the value of Bitcoin that you have on current day. After you enter it, just hit the send button. And then after you do that, if you're sending to someone who already has Cash App, right, you can simply enter the Cash App name or their cash tag. But if you're sending it to external wallets such as Binance, Coinbase, or any other wallet, you have to copy the Bitcoin wallet address from that specific application or that account. So if you're transferring it to Coinbase, then you have to copy your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet address, or Binance, then Binance Bitcoin wallet address, or Robinhood, then Robinhood Bitcoin wallet address, whatever else is convenient for you. After you copy the BTC wallet address, come back and simply paste them and add a note if you want to. And after you've done that, just tap on next on the top right. Now you'll have to select your withdrawal speed, such as priority or rush or standard. So if you're in a rush, then you can just go to the option called priority or rush. Arrives in 2 hours, priority arrives in 10 minutes with a fee that is associated with it. And you have the standard, which is also absolutely free but may actually arrive in 24 hours. So just go ahead and click on the next button. Now once you've done that, you have to simply confirm the withdrawal to this external wallet, or if you're sending it to Cash App people, then you can simply select and confirm the transaction. And this is how you can send Bitcoin from Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.